So today I'm going to show you how to actually put your design on a product using print on demand. So today I'm working on the Printful website. It's one of my favorite. They have a ton of designs, great customer service, and their print quality is really great too. So I'm going to come over here to the menu and click on products. And then I usually like looking at the bestsellers category just for when you're getting started. And today I'm going to go down. I think I want to add a tote bag to my shop. So I'm going to click on tote bag. And then you are going to have two options. You can either choose to do DTG printing, which is like, it's just going to be the ink printed on, or embroidery. The embroidery is a bit more expensive. It's cute, but you have limited colors that you can use. So I'm going to stick with the DTG printing. And if I scroll down where it says start designing, and if you come down a little bit more, you'll see where it says file guidelines. This is what's going to show you what file size you need for your canvas, for your artwork, so that you make sure that it fits. It won't be too big or too small. So my Procreate file size, or if you're using Canva or Illustrator, whatever you're using works. So it needs to be 9.5 inches by 9.5 inches. So I'm going to come back to Procreate and I'm going to create a canvas. I'm going to switch this to inches, and it's going to be 9.5 by 9.5 inches, and then create. So now I already have a design that I'm thinking of to use for this. So I'm just going to come down here and click on add and paste. I'm going to put my design on there. Perfect. And then when you're printing something on a colored background, I don't want this white square to show up, right, on my design because it's a tan bag. So I don't want this white square. So two things. I'm going to turn off the background color. And then I'm also going to, when I export it, I'm going to export it as a PNG. That will keep it as this clear background. If I chose JPEG, then it's going to upload it with a white background, which we don't want. So I'm going to click on PNG, and then I'm going to save the image to my device. And when I head back onto Printful, then I'm going to click on that red Start Designing button right here. And then it's going to give us the option to design it. And so we're going to choose a file. And it should be the first file that is on your device since we just saved it. So I'm going to click on Upload a New File, Photo Library. There it is. Click on Add. And then you're going to, once it's uploaded, there will be an option, if I click on it, that says Apply. And there it is. No big white square. If I had done it as a JPEG, there would be this ugly white square around it. So now that I have it, you can position it, you can crop it, you can do different things to it, whatever you want. So this is what it's going to look like. There's the back view. You can add a design to the back as well, depending on what you're looking for. And that's it. There's the bag. So once you have that done, then you can just click on that cart button and then add to cart. Or if you are adding it to your Etsy shop, there is also a way to add it to your Etsy shop. But today we're just looking at how to actually design it. And it's actually a pretty easy process. So you're just picking the product that you are interested in designing. Maybe you want to do, oh, I don't know, this poster, if you like just doing art prints. So if I come down here, click on File Guidelines, pick which canvas size you want to work with, and then export it as a PNG, and then you can just click on Start Designing here to upload your designs. Okay. If you want to know about pricing, you can also look into up here. It'll tell you how much the product costs and how much it costs to ship in the United States. If you are outside of the United States, then you would need to switch that in your settings as well. But that's it. So let me know if you have any questions. That's the basic how to actually put your design on a product in print on demand.